Finish tayo, advancing, panganiban, yes, again. 6 saves it. Recovered by Lopez. Lopez hook shot, no. Añasco, pulon, Añasco. Ayun. Wide open is Hausen. Gabriel, no look to Hausen, back shot. Passing, alley-oop by the sky to Kaling. In the steal by Hausen. Hausen pa rin to Kaling, one more try, using his net. Adriano. Nice pass, malalim, saved by Añasco. Adio, 3! Magandang nag-aabang na lang. Baguio. Adriano for the steal, Lopez now. Lopez, inabot na lang kay Añasco. 82. Bautista, open 3. 3! Bautista. Nice move by Bautista. Ato, tatlo, nakapula. Against Marcelos. Pinlang. Yes! Ayun, pagkakataon, Alejo. Alejo, one-on-one against Bautista. Tatapos si Kaling, para ball fake by Alejo. Carlos, back to Alejo. Timeout. Añasco, ang bilis. Añasco, open runway. 4 against 2. Baguio to the left. Alejo to Kaling. That is beautiful. Cruz. 3. Wow. Añasco. 3 against 1. Añasco. Kinaliwa. Gabriel. Kick out. Cruz to Alejo. To Kaling. Pocket pass. Almost a steal. Pag-take. Passing into Kanya. Baguio. Baguio pump fake. Yes! Cool down. Stolen by Añasco. Añasco. The long strike. Lopez is wide open. Rebound Carlos. Carlos makes it anyways. Añasco. Going to his left. Jumper. Gabriel. Hausen, jumper. Good. Añasco against Kaling. Good matchup. Ang ganda ng ikot ni Añasco. Hausen. To Alejo, yes. Añasco. High low. Nice entry pass. To Lopez, di ba? Estela. Estela. Yes. Rolls it inside. Gabriel, 3 against 2. Gets the lead. Lopez, low post. Yun, diba? To Estela. Añasco, jumper. Iba. 52. Panganiban. Alejo. Gabriel, using his left. Panganiban. To Alejo. Alejo. Reward back to Panganiban. Adriano. Adriano zigzagging. Nalibre si Lopez. What a play from Adriano. Adriano to Añasco. The set shot. Añasco. Inayaw. Añasco. Ang laki na bumangga. Añasco makes it anyway. Pakaniban. Nagmamatali na. Pakaniban. Nice pass to Carlos. Yes. Añasco. Añasco. Great space for the left. 64-57. Long 2. Sabi na left. Estela, yes.